Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Hope you're enjoying your weekend. I'm Sunday evening, so the weekend's coming to an end. Tears. I'm gonna be making mac and cheese from scratch for the first time, so never did it before. I'll bust out the show you the ingredients. I'm also gonna be making a couple hot dogs just for dinner, but the star of the show is gonna be macaroni and cheese. I've already done hot dogs, and so it's just real simple. Boil the dogs, throw it on a bun, but the mac and cheese, that's where it's at. Let's get the ingredients shown. Alright, so I got macaroni, elbow macaroni, the Winco brand. It was like 98 cents for the whole bag. I got a cup measured out. I want to do a third of mozzarella, and then the rest cheddar. I've got my seasonings, which is stuff I always use. This is the Slap Your Mama white, some garlic, a little salt, I got flour, I got butter, and then I got milk in the refrigerator. Okay, so on your butter here, I don't know if this will show up, but there's little lines going across, and it will tell you how much a tablespoon is. So I'm going to cut off 2 tablespoons butter. Get that in the pan. Got my flour, and I need to grate my cheese still. Alright, so I almost made a critical error, and that was I almost got my water going, or my cheese sauce going, before my macaroni was even in the water yet. And it's going to take 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to get my pasta going, and set the timer for 5, and then as soon as the timer goes off, I'm going to turn on my cheese sauce, and hopefully it will all come together at the same time. If I made the sauce now, I'd be sitting around waiting for the pasta, and that's not good. So it's been 5 minutes. Make sure you stir your pasta occasionally. I actually just did, so I'm going to turn the burner on. I'm going to start melting my butter. Get my cheese out. I'm only going to do a third ish, because I'm going to save the other piece here for another dish. Well, I'm going to use it mac and cheese again. Alright, so I got that grated. Watching the time. Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni might be done a little sooner than the... Well, we'll see though. So, butter actually is almost melted. So, I'm going to sprinkle in my flour. By the way, I should mention this is a stovetop version, not a baked mac and cheese, which admittingly it did look really good. So stir that in and go ahead and season it. Pretty much the same seasonings I always use. Garlic, Slap Your Mama white. Got a good stir. And we're gonna need to add milk, which I should have had out, didn't. Which I can't open because of stupid packaging crap. Oh, come on. So, going with 1 cup of milk, add a little bit. My pasta's probably done. Let's see. Probably feels done. Oh yeah. Get that off and drain it. I sure hope I have enough flour and butter. What am I running here? 2 minutes 45. Although that was cold milk, so I pulled it basically right out of the refrigerator. Once this starts to thick, hopefully the butter and flour, the roux basically, once this heats up, it should start to thicken. So I added the rest of the milk because it was actually starting to thicken up nicely. My macaroni all cooked up. Once it starts to thicken up again, you should be able to add cheese. Alright, so this is thickened up. Now I believe I saw a video, it said to kill the heat and stir in the cheese. So I'm gonna go I think that's about half and half. Stir that up. Which that melted actually pretty nice. See that? Go ahead and pour this into the macaroni. And there you go. One pot of pasta made 1 cup. Made quite a bit of made quite a bit. Might be able to adjust that recipe down a little bit. Alright, let's give this mac and cheese a taste. For a minute there I was thinking it wasn't going to come together, but go ahead and try it. Wow. You know what? That's really good. Dude. Yeah, that's really good. Mmm. All right, so empty pot. I can confidently say that I'm probably never gonna go back to boxed mac and cheese. It was so good, but I'm dying over here. I'm so full, so I gotta tweak the recipe. Probably gonna cut it down to 3/4 of a cup of just drop everything by 1/4. Because it was I'm oh man, I'm falling over here. But it was good. It was so good I didn't want to stop eating it. I was like, oh my god. So much better tasting than the store-bought shit. So, just night and day difference. Really kind of surprising. It wasn't really that hard to make. As soon as the milk warmed up, I mean, it just came together. Thickened right up. Maybe got a little too much milk in there, but I can always tweak and adjust. And yeah, but I'll be definitely making that again. So, as always, I do thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. But I might do this again just to show the tweaks. Do the final recipe for one person, because then you can always increase the recipe and make more. So I might do some. I might add chicken to it, bacon, the goodies. Whew. I need to go. Well, it's almost bedtime, so well, a couple hours will be bedtime, and I can finally subdue to my food coma and fall asleep. So anyway, thanks for watching again, and we'll catch you next one.